So here we have exam question again. So this is Leaving Cert Ordinary Level, and it's 2018 paper 1 again. Okay, and question 8. So there's loads of marks for this, 65 marks again. So the appropriate amount of a certain medicinal drug in the bloodstream, T hours, so T is hours, and we have our cubic function. So that's called a cubic. So using the function, show that the amount of drug in the bloodstream 4 hours, so T is equal to 4 hours. So in this case, minus 4 cubed plus 4.5 times 4 squared plus 54 times 4, and use your calculator. So minus bracket 4 to the power of 3 plus 4.5 bracket 4 squared plus 54 bracket 4 is equal to 224 units, which is what we expected. Okay, so in the exam that's an easy 10 marks for you. Okay, now we're going to use the function to complete the table. Okay, so the first one has been done for us and 4 has been done. So we're going to sub in T is 2. So minus 2 cubed, 4.5 times 2 squared, plus 54 times 2 is equal to, but this time you're substituting in 2. On your calculator, and you get 118. When T is 3, and substitute in again, is equal to 175.5. So 118 and 175.5. When T is 5, plus 4.5 times 5 squared plus 54 times 5 is equal to 257.5. When T is 6, 6 cubed, 4.5 times 6 squared, 54 times 6 is equal to 270. When T is 7, always put it in the brackets, is equal to 255.5. When T is 8, 4.5 times 8 squared, 54 times 8 is equal to 208. And finally, when T is 9, 4.5 times 9 squared, 54 times 9 is equal to 121.5. Okay, and that's your table. And to complete your table then is another 10 marks. Okay, so that's your complete table, showing all your work. And now you're asked to draw the graph. So the set of points are 0, 0. 1 goes up to 57.5, so 50, 60, 70, so 57.5. 2 goes up to 118. 3 up to 175.5. 4 up to 224. 5, 257.5. 6, 270. 7, 255.5. 8, 208. And 9, 121.5. So the graph will look something like this. Up and around and back down. Okay, and that's your function. C of t is equal to minus t cubed 4.5 t squared plus 54 t. Okay, and for drawing your graph then, you get 10 marks. Okay, and for part D, in part D, you're asked, use your graph, so you're using the graph. Use your graph to estimate. So the amount of drug after 3.5 hours, so go to 3.5, which is between 3 and 4, draw a line up to your graph, go straight across, and you get about 205 units. Okay, and then for the next part, how long after taking the drug. So this time we want to go to the units. So we're going to go to 100 units, go across and down. So how long would that be? Probably about 1.75 hours, which would be equal to 1 hour and 45 minutes. Because 0.75 multiplied by 60 minutes is equal to 45 minutes. Okay, and for each of the questions then, in an exam, that's 5 marks, and this one is 10 marks. So you can see how easy it is to pick up marks in your Leaving Cert with questions like those. Okay? And finally then, this question here is our 2017 question. So 2017.